Hey people, what's going on? It's some yak beef hybrid hamburgers. Pretty much how I like to build them is just very simple. I like to use like one egg and like just enough breadcrumbs to hold everything together, and just try to get all the egg yolk off. Pretty much just transfer and spices. Yes, my burgers are going to be that fucking huge. For the spices, I am going to put a tablespoon of paprika. I didn't have 1 tablespoon, so I put in 3 teaspoons, which had made 1 tablespoon of paprika, of garlic powder, and pepper. Ooh, it came out so fucking good. Ooh, yes, I go through that much paprika and garlic powder. Don't judge me, I like my flavors. Hey, that's just me though. Life is too short to be vanilla. Hey, pepper. Wanna do some grinding? Oh yeah, and just add enough pepper and breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. And like I was saying, just put enough breadcrumbs to bind everything together. And start to mix stuff together. I was doing the wrong fucking thing with the spatula. I switched over to my hands. And that's how thick my boogers were. Ooh, yeah, come to Papa. Next to start to, bacon. Bacon on burgers is good. Yeah, I used the wrong pan, it was too small. And it's good. Bacon. Yum. Yeah, pretty much just transitioned into blowing some sparks. Yeah, that's how I pretty much start my charcoal. Don't talk about baguettes about how baguettes are the best. I hate baguettes with the fucking passion. I was using Hickory charcoal with some apple pellets, and that's how it looked. With cheese. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to put some barbecue sauce on. Ooh, yeah, that looks so good. That's how I felt all happy with all that